Welcome to the Trilha de Vida channel, your greatest source of inspiration and knowledge of the wonders of life. I'm happy to have you here with us today. Are you ready to embark on a journey of wonder, embracing the beauty of the world around us? If yes, you are in the right place. Here at Trail of Life, we believe that life is an amazing adventure, and we want to share it with you. Whether it's exploring breathtaking landscapes or learning from inspiring people, we're here to spark your passion for living life to the fullest. Subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. Let's go to the video.
Continuing the route of this trip that started in São Tomé das Letras to Uberlândia, we passed through São Bento Abade. Continuing our journey, our next town is Carmo da Cachoeira, a charming little town. Upon entering the city, I was surprised by the bucolic and welcoming atmosphere that hovered in the air. The cobbled streets led us past small colorful houses with windows adorned with flowers, witnesses to the rich history that has developed there over the centuries. I headed towards the heart of Carmo da Cachoeira, the Praça Central, where simplicity and beauty came together in perfect harmony. The century-old church, with its imposing facade and delicate stained glass windows, reflected the religiosity and devotion of the local people. After a peaceful walk, I decided to explore the natural wealth that surrounds the city. Following the course of the Cachoeira River, I reached an exuberant trail that took me to majestic waterfalls hidden among the exuberant forest. The crystalline water falls with force, creating a relaxing and inviting melody. An invigorating bath in its cool waters was inevitable. The afternoon arrived and I decided to know a little more about this city. At the Historical Museum of Carmo da Cachoeira, I immersed myself in the history of local ancestors through exhibitions and artifacts that told the history of the city since its foundation. At night, the soft lights of houses and restaurants lit up the streets, inviting a special dinner. I savored the delicious Minas Gerais cuisine, with typical dishes made with love and care. The residents' hospitality was captivating, and I got to know charming stories about life in that peaceful town. The following day, with my heart full of good memories, I said goodbye to Carmo da Cachoeira. It gave me unforgettable moments, showing that beauty lies both in natural landscapes and in people and their culture. Let's move forward, carrying good memories.
Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey today. We really appreciate the time you took to watch, participate, and be part of our Trolla de Vida experience. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and share it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting content. We'll be back soon with more adventures and life-enriching content. Until then, remember to live each day with passion and purpose. Bye.